Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my new video on vector integral calculus. Let us solve the problem. Find the work done by the force F bar is equal to 2xy plus z cube into I plus x square j plus 3x z square into k along the curve. Here that equation of curve is not given. Between 1 minus 1 1 2.123, and as here the equation of curve is not given, we have to check whether that force F bar is conservative or not. And to check whether it is conservative or not, we require to find a curl of that function. If that curl is 0, we can say that it is conservative, and therefore curl is given by determinant of I, j and k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. And in third row, the component of that F bar, first component is 2xy plus z cube x square, and third 3xz square. And then evaluating it, as usual, we are evaluating the third order determinant. It is I into, neglecting first and first column, taking determinant of these four elements, therefore it is dou by dou y of 3xz square minus dou by dou z of x square. Then second one is with minus sign, minus j into, this time we neglect the first row and second column, and taking determinant of the remaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, we get dou by dou x of 3xz square minus dou by dou z of plus k into, neglecting first and last column, we get determinant of the remaining 4, dou by dou x of x square minus dou by dou y of 2xy plus z cube. And then performing that partial derivatives, we get a differentiation of the first term with respect to y, it is 0 as it is not the function of y. A differentiation of second term is also 0 as it is not the function of z into I. Then minus, differentiating this with respect to x, is derivative is 3z square minus, differentiating the second term with respect to z, its derivative is 0 and its derivative is 3z square plus, differentiating it with respect to x, we get 2x minus, differentiating this with respect to y, its derivative is also 2x into k, and therefore it is 0i minus 0j and plus 0k. It is 0, that is F bar is conservative, as that curl of that function is 0. And as it is conservative, next part we try to find out the work done as integration of f bar dot dr. In second part, we try to find work done by evaluating that line integral of f bar dot dr bar over curve C, where f bar is 2xy plus z cube into I plus x square j plus 3x z square into k, and dr bar is dxi plus dyj plus dzk, and therefore taking a dot product of these two vector function we get a1 b1, therefore it is 2xy plus z cube into dx plus a2 b2, we get x square dy and plus a3 b3, we get 3xz square into dz. Then we simplify in such a way that we get this sum as in the form of total derivative, and therefore rewriting the terms 2xy into dx plus x square dy, we combine these two terms containing the terms of x and y, plus z cube dx, it is containing x and z, and therefore it is plus 3xz square into dz, and then this 2xy dx plus x square dy is the total derivative of the product of two terms. It is d of, we take x square from this term whose differentiation with respect to x is 2x into dx, therefore the remaining term is y into y, and therefore if you see, it is the total differentiation of x square y. If we apply that product rule, first term x square derivative of y dy plus second term y as it is into differentiation of x square is 2x dx, means once again we get the same term, and therefore this sum of these two terms we can write as a total derivative of a product of x square and y. Then in second bracket we have terms of x and z, z cube dx and plus 3x z square. Again it is a total differentiation of, we take z cube from the first term whose derivative with respect to z is 3z square dz. Therefore if we neglect that term, remaining is x, therefore it is d into, total derivative of z cube into x. And again if we apply the product rule, UV rule, we get first term z cube, derivative of second dx, plus second term as it is x, differentiation of z cube is 3z square dz. Therefore I have converted that in the form of a total differentiation, and then integration of that f bar dot dr bar between the point 1, minus 1, 1, 2.123 is equals to, it is the integration from 1, minus 1, 1 to 123 of this term. We call this equation A, suppose, and therefore substituting that here we get d of x square y plus d of xz cube, and then integrating this term, integration of derivative, cancel each other, and we get a resultant quantity as x square y plus xz cube and limits from 1 minus 1 1 to 1 to 3 xyz values of xyz values of xyz. Therefore, substituting upper and lower limit, we get it is equals to for upper limit, when x is 1, it is 1 square 1 into y is 2 plus x again 1 z cube, z is 3 cube 9 3 is 27. Therefore, these are the values for upper limit minus lower limit. When we put the value of x as 1, we get 1 into y is minus 1 plus again x is 1 and z cube 1 cube is also 1. And therefore, simplifying it, we get 27 plus 2, 1 into 27, we get 27 plus this 2, it is 29 minus minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, we get 0. And therefore, the value of that work done is 29 units. Therefore, once again I will repeat the steps, important steps. In the first part, we required to show that vector function f bar as conservative by calculating or by obtaining the value of curl of f bar. And if we get curl of f bar as 0, we can say that function is conservative. And if it is conservative, then in second part, we try to obtain the value of work done by performing this line integral of f bar dot dr bar by converting that in the form of a total derivative, like I have converted here, and then integration of that term of derivative, that two operators cancel each other, we get the required term as x square y plus xz cube, and the limits are from 1 minus 1 1 to 1 to 3, and by substituting the upper and lower limit, we get the required value of that work done. In my next video, I will discuss another important point from this vector integral calculus, Green's theorem. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates on new videos. Thank you.